So you just need a sock of any kind. It doesn't have to be a white one. We're going to fill it full of rice. I found a little trick. If you have something like this, or cut out the bottom of a plastic container, and you just want to wrap it around the top. This just helps to pour the rice in, but you do not need to use one of these. So I have a bucket of rice here with a measuring cup. Now, depending on the size of your sock, will depend on how much rice. I have a men's sock, and usually around 2 cups will work, but not. I think I'm going to add a little more than 2 cups. Just kind of feel. You can see how you feel about the shape. The heel is going to be part of its head, so I want to make sure it's filled up to there at least. Okay, then I'm going to remove this piece. And then if you have rubber bands, because you will need a few rubber bands. I'm going to start right up here. Wrap it around a couple times. I'm going to take another one. And I'm going to wrap it around the head and the body. And you can do it any order. You don't have to do it the way I did it. I just wanted to keep the rice from falling out. There. And the rice makes it flexible. You can set it however you want, which makes a nice movement. Okay. Yep. So this is going to be, leave this on because this is going to be the ears. So I'm going to kind of straighten that out. There still is some rice in there. I'm going to remove that. But kind of straighten it out as much as you can. And you're going to want to cut straight down the center. Now, you can do this 2 ways. You can have like the floppy ear rabbit and just add some glue. You want to trim it up a little bit, more of a shape of an ear. And you can glue that together and just have the floppy ears, or this is what I did. I like the bendable ears, so what I did was take a pipe cleaner, kind of measured it inside, and then I did use a hot glue gun. I did run some hot glue on that. And then I placed the pipe cleaner in there. Like that. This one's a little short, but I'll do the same thing on this side. You don't need a whole lot of hot glue, just a little bit. It will stick fairly well. Fairly fast. I'm just going to stick it up in there. You can use a glue stick, or I'm just going to use hot glue. I think a glue stick would work just as well to seal up. I'm going to run it along one side and bring it over. And with all hot glue guns, just be careful you don't burn yourself. And then you'll be able to bend the ear however you want, or if you want it to stand up. However you like it to be. Pull it over a little bit so that seam doesn't always show too much. Or if it does a little bit, it just looks like a little bit of fur. The bunny ear. And then you can trim some of this up too. You don't want those little strands showing. Now, what I did, I had a little extra piece from where I cut off the ears. I'm just going to a little extra, and I tied it. If it's long enough, you can tie it, or you can hot glue it. Just tied it around so the rubber band doesn't show. Double knot it if you can. trim up that extra. It kind of looks like he has a little headband too. Like I said, you can play with his ears. You can go up if you want. However, you can play with them, or if you just want them down. It just gives them some flexibility. Okay, now I'm going to start on a pom-pom. Is a great little tail. Should I go with pink? Oh, I have two colors. I have red and pink, and I think I'm going to go with the pink. Use a little hot glue, or you can use Elmer's glue. It's just going to take longer to dry. Stick them to the back like that. Now, for the whiskers, you could use a button or anything for its little nose and the whiskers. I'm using little pony beads and pipe cleaners, and I am just going to measure they don't have to be exact, maybe around 2.5 inches or 3, and you know, they could be vary in size. Then I'm going to take my pony bead and I am going to run a pipe cleaner through it. It'll slide through really easily. And you kind of want to even it up. Center the pony bead. And then you can play with your whiskers. You can pull them apart. You can go any way you'd like. Then I am going to dab a little bit of hot glue. Like I said, you can use Elmer's glue. Hot glue just dries faster. Okay, for the eyes, you can use googly eyes if you have them. Or you can make dots out of paper and make eyes. I'm going to go with the googly eyes. But I want it, in case you didn't have any, you can do it out of paper. And you could probably give them colored eyes too. Is it up there? And up there. Now I'm going to go with some ribbon. And I'm going to wrap it around where the neck and the is at. And I'm going to tie a little bow. Just to give your bunny some embellishment.